Today I'm smoking chicken wings. You will see it is in my wrappers, lemon and herbs. There's my drip pan there at the bottom. I'm using the basket today, and there's my little piece of wood. So I'm gonna smoke it at 300 Fahrenheit. So let's see how it's coming out. You will see my heat is on 150 Celsius, 300 Fahrenheit. Just as I want it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, after 55 minutes, let us see how it's looking like. Wow. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Looking great. Well. Now I'm gonna start taking off my chicken wings. And they are looking beautiful, man. Look at it. Can you taste it? Can you smell it? Now after I did this, I made a mix. You see here, butter, lemon and parsley. I'm gonna pour it over it. Wow. Then I'm gonna go and let it sit for a while before we're gonna eat it. Isn't it looking great? My. Beautiful, beautiful. Now the lid is coming on again. I'm just gonna leave it for a while. And then it's gonna go into the house to eat. Here's the end product. It's now in. Look at that. Look at that. My. Isn't it looking nice? Hope you enjoyed this little video.